Josh, no records. No, well, let's do it again. Same thing.
Oh, record low, record
high minimum.
Record high minimum. Okay.
No record high,
low.
96 today. 97 is where we topped out this afternoon. So 96 is where we topped out. 97 is where the record was. But the low this morning, again, Monday. Well, Monday was 80, but that tied the record. Tuesday, Wednesday, this is Thursday morning. The last 3 days, we had an 83 for a low temperature. The record for that today is 83. We should likely tie that, and that was done in 2019. Yesterday's record was 2019 as well, too. That was the advisories. They're going down at 7 o'clock. Low to mid-90s most locations. We do have some upper 80s. We've got a good deck of clouds, mainly high clouds, pushing back towards eastern Hillsborough County now from southern Polk County, and that's been fantastic. Cutting down just a little bit on the sun. Just a little bit, sun angle's low in the west, so it gets underneath some of that. But look, feels like temperatures 105 to about 110, 112. These numbers running a couple degrees cooler than where we were at this time yesterday. It's funny to say that, but we're going right back up there tomorrow. But tomorrow's going to be like today. We will see a few more clouds around. We will see a few more scattered showers. And you can see it. This is the heat index forecast tomorrow for Tampa. You see how we're warming up? But then look what happens 2, 3 o'clock. We dip. That's a chance for a shower. That's a few clouds around. Temps will drop a little bit. Then they'll push inland, and we'll try and warm things back up. But 108, you saw it peaking there. That's the level that you need to get to for an advisory. They have not issued it yet. I think they will issue another heat advisory for tomorrow. Rain, had some up here in Hernando and Citrus County again. It's falling apart. It's out of here. Pinellas, Hillsborough had a couple of small showers. That's all gone now. You can see, of course, Highlands. You're getting lucky here all week long. And we do have a few clouds left over. You can see from Lake Wales all the way up towards I-4 there. But here's the forecast for tomorrow. 12:30. See this? Like today, and in fact, even up here for Hernando and Citrus, right? Very much like today. I think a couple more than what we saw today. Then everything moves inland. Some of that tries to come back towards the coast tomorrow night. I don't think we get it. But Saturday, here we go. 1 o'clock, a better chance for storms along the coast. They do push inland, but a couple will come back towards the coast in the evening hours. Sunday's just like that, but it will have a little bit better coverage. So 40% on Saturday, 50% on Sunday. I'm going out on a limb with the heat advisory for tomorrow because it hasn't been issued yet, but even if they don't, it's ballpark, right? It's going to be very similar. Today looks a lot like, or tomorrow looks a lot like today. Southwest winds around 5 to 10 knots. They will pick up, I'd go 10 to 15 at times, but overall, just count about 10 knots out of the west-southwest tomorrow. 1 foot seas. Forecast, highs, and heat advisory. So think about this. 108 is where you get a heat advisory. Look what happens through Sunday. We basically stay there. But by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we drop the temps. And that's because we're going to have more moisture in the atmosphere. We're going to have better rain chances. Look at Saturday and Sunday. What you're really watching is right here. And same thing on Monday. That's going to help us get just a little bit cooler. That brings down low temperatures as well, because when the storm comes down with the rain, it brings down cooler and drier air. That'll be happening Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Yes, it's a little bit of a light at the end of the tunnel. Still going to be hot and humid. It just won't be as hot as what we've seen this week.